Hey everybody. So today I received my Igel order. I ordered one of their brushes to check out. I'm not super excited about it. It's very small for a size 10. It's very small. I'm a little underwhelmed. All I did was clean the starch out of it, so it's pretty, I don't know, I'm not a big fan of the cut of it. It's not wanting to line up correctly. I don't know, we'll try pinching it. I'm going to do a pinching video later this week and we'll see if that helps at all. But so far, I'm not super impressed. It's not flat, but it's also not pointed, which I thought was kind of weird. And like I said, it's just really small. It's not real impressive. It is seal, which, you know, that's something. This one definitely would need trained. So we're going to go ahead and give it a shot. But real quick, I want to just say we reached 400 subscribers. I missed it. I was kind of busy this week, and one of you lovely viewers let me know. I appreciate that. I can't believe I missed it after all that. So this one, I want to do this for the people that have, you know, been here and been supportive and whatever. That's why I'm not doing a whole special video for it. That's why I don't do announcements for giveaways and things like that. I don't want to draw people to my channel just to get stuff. I want to do it as appreciation for the people who are here and who have supported me. So, on that note, tell me what got you started in nails. What made you want to pick up the brush? For me, it was my daughter was asking about nails. I went to cosmetology school years and years ago when I was like 18. I never did nails though. So my daughter was asking and to get her nails done all the time, and I didn't want to damage her nails, so I figured, well, I'll learn to do it myself. And that's what I did. So you guys tell me what got you started, what got you interested, what brought you here. And then I'm going to leave this for a few days so that everyone who wants to enter can. I don't want to miss anybody. So I'll leave this up. And I have surgery this week, so I will probably, let's say Monday or Tuesday, post the winner's video. Let me just say how much I appreciate you guys. It's always this, I always know who's going to comment, who's going to, you know, who's going to have questions, who's going to help other people in the comments, and it's really cool. It's turned into like a little community, and I really appreciate that. So I'm going to leave this up for a while, and Monday or Tuesday I'll post the winner video, and good luck to you guys. So just comment what brought you to nails, and I will enter you into the giveaway. So now let's get started. Again, it's still not shaping up after like over and over dipping it in a monomer. I cleaned it very well. It's just not shaping up, and I'm not happy. I did get it during their 60% off sale, so it was only like 15 bucks, but normally it's 40. So I'm not super impressed with a $40 brush that's behaving this way. And you can see it's already split. I'm just, yeah. I should have known when my order came with a return envelope. I do like the new acrylics I got from them. But I did get colors that really can't marble, so that took care of that. So it's beading okay, but it is not laying well at all. Now I'm gonna train it and give it another chance, see if that helps. But it kind of just looks like a Walmart paintbrush. I don't understand. Maybe pinching it would work, but any other brush that I get that's round like this, I don't have to pinch to use it. I can if I want to, but I don't have to. So I'm kind of confused. I'm gonna go ahead and say no. That's a no on this one because it's just not behaving properly at all. And yeah, they all require some prep work to use, but not like this. Like, can you guys see how it's acting? That's insane. For a $40 brush, ooh, I dripped. For what they say is a $40 brush. I know they always have the 60% off sale, but I can't. It's not laying well at all. It's splitting everywhere. I don't even know how that's possible. So I will crimp it and train it and see if that makes a difference, but you should be able to use it without going through 2 hours of prep work. Every other brush I've been able to with just cleaning it, you guys know that. So this is ridiculous. And like it'll come together for a minute while it's wet, but then it just immediately does it again. So I'm not impressed. Alright, so that's a no on Igel's brush. I'm just gonna, no, just no. We deserve better than this, guys. We really do. Especially from a brush that they claim is $40, is worth $40. No. We're better than this. We deserve better than this, and we're gonna demand it. And sorry I'm posting this so late. Like I said, it's been kind of a busy week getting ready, so I apologize. And thank you to the viewer that let me know. I really appreciate it. We're just gonna call you C. Thank you for letting me know. She congratulated me and I'm like, wait, what? What happened? I completely missed it. I'm so upset. I've been waiting forever so I could give this stuff away. But anyway, yeah, guys, we're just no. Just nope. Nope. We're not wasting money on crap anymore. No. Now, on that same note, my $10 brush from a month ago that I've been using literally every day. Look at this. Beautiful, right? This is fresh out of the box. I'm kind of mad. I'm pretty mad, actually. This is. Hey, let me show you this, the $5 brush from 2 months ago. Yeah, there's no call for this. None at all. Imagine if you were just starting and got this brush. You would have no idea what the problem is. So, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get this posted for you guys and get that kit ordered. I'm so excited. I'm very, very excited. Look at that. I'm just mad. Like, that's uncalled for. You know? Alright, so comment and let me know what brought you the nails, and I will take down everybody's name and we will do the giveaway early next week. As always, thank you guys. Oh, and I'm also getting ready for the next big giveaway. I don't even know when we're going to do that one. Maybe 500. Let's do another one at 500. Why not? I'm going to have to think of something bigger. So, it's going to be one of those days. I'm going to have to think of something bigger. So, yeah. You guys comment, let me know what brought you to nails, and I will start plotting my next giveaway, and I will see you guys later this week. Thanks for watching.